It's Friday, so that means it's time for another episode of Floor Plan Fridays. And today I am out in Tarpon Springs in the Eagle Creek gated community. David Weekley right there. And I'm doing this because it's really windy outside, so I didn't want the wind to destroy this. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so just to let you know before I get out and actually start the tour, they are, and when I say they I mean David Weekley is running a promotion right now on homes through the end of January where they're giving you 7% in incentives. Quick edit, that 7%, it's up to $40,000. And I did the math. This community, 7% is more than $40,000. So just keep that in mind. It's up to $40,000. The promo is company-wide. So if you like this one, reach out. I'm also going to film 3 more while I'm here, and those will come out on Sunday. So make sure to take a look at that video. And if you like any of them, reach out to me ASAP, because they are down to the last 8 of this small 50 home community. All right, let's go. All right, this is the Edinger model by David Weekley. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 2449 square feet. Currently listed for $799,935. There is a monthly HOA fee of $182, but no CDD fee. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like, because this one's actually available. And they're also building this throughout the Tampa Bay area. But this particular community in Tarpon Springs only has 50 homes, and they're down to the last 8. And right now, they're running a promotion of 7% towards either rate buy down or a discount on pricing, whatever you like, through the end of January. So if this is something that you like, reach out and let's get it going for you. All right, let's go inside, take a look. You come in the front door, you have LVP flooring, nice long hallway. To the left right here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. It's bedroom number 1. Nice sized bedroom. Regular closet there, but I like how it's got a door instead of a bifold. Come out to bathroom number 1. White cabinets, quartz countertops, nice framed mirror. Then your tub and shower combo there. All right, bedroom number 2. Nice sized bedroom as well. All right, continuing on down the hall, and to the right, you're gonna have your 3-car garage here. And more than likely, they will end up putting epoxy on it. I know they do that with the ones out here. And on Sunday, I'll show you 3 other ones that are available in this community. And I know that at least one of them, as I walk by, they just finished the epoxy floor. So, all right. Coming in out of the garage, you got a little area right here where you could, put a drop zone. And then you have a coat closet right there, and your laundry room right over here. So washer and dryer would go there. Nice big countertop and a sink. All right, continuing on to the left right here, you're gonna have a flex room with the French doors with the glass. So you could set this up as an office, or if you wanted a formal dining room or whatever. Right out of the flex room, you come right into the kitchen. Nice big island with the quartz countertops, white cabinets, white subway backsplash, Your stainless steel range hood. It is an electric cooktop here. Then you have this nice big undermount sink in like a matte white color. Stainless steel dishwasher, your wall mounted oven and microwave. And then your walk-in pantry right there. Refrigerator obviously would go there. Nice living area. Nice big open living area with the 3 windows. We'll go back over there in a second. Well, let's go take a look at the master suite over here, since there is not access to the lanai from here. But you got your 3 windows in the back. Nice big bedroom here. There are 5 can lights into the bathroom. Got your tile floor, your white counters, your quartz countertop, dual vanity. There's that framed mirror again. Then behind this door is going to be your toilet. You have a nice big walk-in shower with a bench in the back right there. And then your walk-in closet. Nice size closet. All right. We're not done. There is one more bedroom suite over on this side. Then we'll go outside and take a look at the lanai and backyard. But over here, one more bedroom suite. Nice 8-foot doors throughout. Then same countertops, cabinets. All right, let's go outside, take a look at the covered lanai. All right, so you come out, come on the edge over here. Nice big covered lanai. A little step down right here to get in the backyard. Come out here. And then here is the back of this one. So this is the Edinger model by David Weekley. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.